What's up everyone? In this video I will share with you how to place the perfect stop loss when trading forex. So if you're interested, let's hop right into it. Alright, so first things first, since I got your attention, I must let you know that there is no such thing as perfect stop loss placement. Okay, so if there's someone that claims that, oh, I know where to always place my stop loss so that it doesn't get hit, trust me, that is a lie. There's no one out here that can say and also prove that they don't have any losing trades. Losing when trading is 100% normal. It's part of the game. Trading must be treated like a business, but that doesn't mean that you can place your stop loss in a better way, so that like this you will increase your win rate and you will decrease your losing trades. Okay, so overall you will still get losing trades. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. There's no such thing as holy grail strategy. There's no such thing as 100% win rate. Okay, so if you're looking for that, please just watch something else. Okay, this video is not for you. Okay, but if you already know how trading works, I assume you already know you already knew about this. So let's get straight into the video. Where do I personally like to place my stop loss? Well, to be honest with you, I like to place my stop loss based on the structure of the market, and I think that's the best way to go about it. I know people that use a fixed stop loss. I know a lot of people actually, especially beginners, that use a fixed stop loss, which in my opinion isn't really wise to do. Why, you might ask? Well, let me try to find an example. Let me try to find an example. All right, let's say you right here. Right here. Let's say you want to enter a buy after this bullish engulfing. Okay? You would place your buy here based on what? Based on, let's say that you saw this support level right here. For me, I would most likely place my stop loss either below this wick or below the support level, okay, which would be a 30 pip stop loss. Okay, this is a 30 pip stop loss. Now, there's some traders out there that have a fixed stop loss. Let's say they have a 15 pip fixed stop loss, so their stop loss is going to be placed here. Okay, so what happens? Let's say you aim for this high right here. Okay, you aim for this previous high right here. This is a nice swing buy. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading forex but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals, and this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. And check this out. You enter with a nice profit, the trade goes in your direction, but then it comes and it stops you out. Why? Because it literally tapped this support level once again, but you got stopped out. Why? Because you used a fixed stop loss in pips. Now me, I would have either used the stop loss below this wick and I would have got stopped out here, or I would have placed it below the support and this would have been my target, and as you can see, the take profit would have been smashed. Now let's say the first scenario, if the stop loss would have taken me out here because I placed it below this wick, no worries, I would follow the market structure and I will see that the market literally rejected from the support once again, and I would have entered on this bullish engulfing right here, place the stop loss again right below based on structure, again, not a fixed stop loss, because look, in this scenario, let's say I use again a 15 pip, or in this scenario, let's say I use a 30 pip stop loss, okay, because I have a fixed 30 pip stop loss. So that means that my stop loss will be here. Why will my stop loss be here? Like, automatically my risk to reward will become a lot smaller. Like, instead of winning 5R almost, I would only win 2R because I have a fixed stop loss. So in my opinion, the best way to place the stop loss is by following the market structure and then calculating your lot size in order to risk how much you want to risk on that specific trade. And don't have a fixed stop loss in size. Okay, that's my advice. Of course, now it totally depends on what strategy you use. There are strategies that are strategies with fixed parameters, let's say, based on indicators, where you will have a fixed stop loss every single time. And if that's the case, then yes, sure. But if you trade price action, okay, using support or resistance, Fibonacci, supply and demand, divergences, all that type of stuff, then I will highly recommend to use a dynamic stop loss based on the market structure, okay? So that's my opinion on it. That's why I decided to make this video, because I still see that there's so many people that use a fixed stop loss when it's not needed to, okay? Now, of course, at the end of the day, I am no financial advisor, so you should make your decision, decisions on your own, after you, of course, backtest and you make your own research. But yeah, this is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope I helped somebody with this video. If I did, please make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on future uploads. Feel free to also share and like the video. And as always, I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.